Configuring Absa Bank chat support is a straightforward process that allows you to access assistance from the bank's customer service team through a convenient and user-friendly platform. To get started, you will need to have an Absa Bank account and be registered for the bank's online banking services. First, open the Absa Bank mobile app on your smartphone or access the bank's website on your computer. If you are using the mobile app, tap on the menu icon and select the Help option. If you are using the website, click on the Contact Us tab and select the Chat with Us option. Next, you will be prompted to log in to your Absa Bank account using your username and password. Once you have logged in, you will see a chat window where you can type your question or query. You can also browse through a list of frequently asked questions to see if your query has already been answered. To initiate a chat, simply type your message in the chat window and click on the Send button. You will then be connected to a customer service representative who will assist you with your query. The representative will respond to your message in real time, and you can continue to chat with them until your issue is resolved. It is essential to have your account details and any relevant information readily available when chatting with the customer service team. This will enable them to assist you more efficiently and provide a more personalized service. In addition to providing assistance with general queries, the Absa Bank chat support team can also help you with a range of other services, including account management, transactional support, and troubleshooting. They can also provide you with information on the bank's products and services, including credit cards, loans, and investments. To get the most out of the Absa Bank chat support service, it is crucial to be clear and concise when typing your message. Provide as much detail as possible about your query, and avoid using abbreviations or jargon that may be unfamiliar to the customer service team. By following these steps and best practices, you can configure Absa Bank chat support and access a convenient and user-friendly platform for getting assistance with your banking needs. The Absa Bank chat support team is available to assist you at any time, and you can rest assured that your queries will be handled promptly and professionally.